At HSE Safety Partners, we're hiring for the new season. If you have experience in the following: solar farm commissioning or installations, wind turbine blade repair with fiberglass and core composite experience and certifications, wind farm technicians experienced with troubleshooting, parts replacement, and bolt torque and tension, offshore technicians with offshore sea rescue certifications. We do require that you have prior experience and certifications in these fields. We follow the WinDA classifications for working at heights and basic turbine technician certifications, along with the electrical certification NFPA 70E. You must have a copy of prior or current WinDA BST and WinDA BTT and NFPA 70E certifications. Blade techs must have present level certifications and also prior WinDA certifications. Pay level will be determined by your certifications and prior work experience. It is important that you be thorough in filling out the application completely with all information to receive the highest possible offer. If you have more questions or are ready to apply, please send your resume or CV to kwoodworth@hsesafetypartners.com. Again, that's kwoodworth@hsesafetypartners.com. We're proud to be able to have the opportunity to hire great employees and look forward to hearing from you. Don't wait. Apply now.